No, let's have a look how to use the transform for the Ona AD series machines. Now let's create a toolpath. And subsequent we will move for XY selection. We will create a loop selection of the contour. And after choosing entry motion. And create. Let's move for transformation. And create the array. Now I'm choosing the wide variety of factors. This is 22. As soon as you've got showed, the element transmission can be created right here. You may see the call. And you may shape it, then create a wizard with the manner that you need, and you may pick out the database when you have a right database. And right here we go along with 0.25 wire diameter with the 2 counts of cuts and with choosing all choice besides. And calculate subsequent. You may see the process has been created as consistent with cuts subsequent. Now we will create the stock for the part. By selecting the selection option, we'll be creating a stock for the part. And verify it right here. You may see the inventory has been generated as nicely. And now I'm going to create new element. For the middle profile, and selecting the XY selection and choosing the middle profile to be decided on, and verify it so that you can see your entry motion created the axis movement equal. Then we will process with the wizard and take delivery of and calculate. As soon as those process has been achieved, you may move for the stock simulation to view the element. The way it works, that is the manner wherein you may discover how the manner of reduce will take location. So after completing all of the element transformation and the middle profiles, you may see the precise element, as proven within the simulation. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel, hit a bell icon to get the notification and updates. Thank you.